GlucoRun reviews blood sugar level support 2022 new. Experimentally outlined GlucoRun to back body glucose levels and discover focal points all through the day. GlucoRun could be a new supplement factory made within the USA that contains a good formula of all natural ingredients. What's GlucoRun? GlucoRun blood sugar level supplement supports healthy glucose levels and weight loss in men and girls. United Nations is GlucoRun safe? GlucoRun blood sugar level support is a related all-natural equation that contains exclusively absolutely secure fixings. Each capsule is factory made right here within the USA in an associate government agency approved and GMP certified facility. The ingredients we have a tendency to use area units of the very best doable standards and are tested for the very best purity and efficiency. Food ingredients used in this product, its usefulness, and effect on each capsule of GlucoRun blood sugar level support. The top secret made by a team of scientists. The quality and effectiveness of this GlucoRun blood sugar level support, which is about 100% in this formula, is adjusted to give the best possible results. Magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important massive essential minerals in your body. It primarily holds on the inside of the bones of the body. An awfully bit of atomic number 12 circulates in your blood. Magnesium is interested in more than 300 metabolic activities in your body. Type 2 diabetes causes low atomic number 12 levels, as high blood sugar levels may cause the kidneys to empty too much waste. This additionally causes an amplification loss of atomic number 12. Hypomagnesemia is often treated by oral atomic number 12 supplements and amplifying the amount of dietary atomic number 12. Vitamin C. The antioxidant is an associate degree inhibitor. It's necessary for your skin, bones, and animal tissue. It advances mending and makes a difference in the body assimilate press. Some individuals may have additional antioxidants from dietary supplements, particularly those that suffer from sort 2 polygenic disorders to lower their syndrome of it. Licorice root. One of the most punctual flavoring medicines utilized in Greek and Chinese pharmaceuticals is root. Licorice, or licorice, is one each of the first wide utilized in nourishments, flavoring medicine, and broadly investigated invigorating plants of the planet. In ancient medication, licorice roots are used against treating several ailments together with respiratory organ diseases, arthritis, excretory organ diseases, eczema, heart diseases, peptic ulcer, low pressure level, allergies, liver toxicity, and sure microorganism infections. It promotes liver performance. This root is additionally high in flavonoids, a chemical that aids with appetite management. Juniper berries. The earliest recorded healthful use of juniper berries happens in Associate Egyptian papyrus geological dating back to 1500 BC and was wont to boost the performance of athletes within the Roman Olympics. Their potent powers come back from antioxidants that cleanse the body of poisons and strengthen the system. In step with animal studies, the berries contain chemicals that boost hormone synthesis, decreasing blood glucose levels. This may create juniper berries as a potent ally within the fight against diet-controlled, type 2, polygenic disorder. Chromium. According to a study by Harvard Grad School, the metallic element will lower blood glucose levels and improve hormone sensitivity, and for several years, researchers have studied the consequences of atomic number 24 metallic element metal supplements for kind 2 polygenic disorder. One analysis study urged that taking metallic elements supported blood glucose management in ladies UN agency were pregnant. When your body lacks metallic elements, your ability to turn is controlled back at a cellular level. However, the proper quantity of metallic elements helps to activate your metabolism. Cinnamon, called the king of spices for thousands of years, includes a long history of utilization in antiquated drugs. Licorice roots are acclimated back well-being and eudaimonia. Cinnamon conjointly supports healthy glucose and digestion and will support a healthy inflammation response. Zinc is a vital mineral that's naturally gifted in some foods, accessorial to others, and accessible as a dietary supplement. Zn is additionally found in several cold lozenges and a few over-the-counter medicines sold out as cold remedies. Furthermore, each capsule contains a combination of alternative herbs that facilitate the management of the natural secretion balance of your body and make sure the swish operation of this complete organic chemistry method. The instructed dose is 1 capsule daily, and GlucoRun ought to be used for a minimum of 90 days to urge the most effective edges. GlucoRun comes during a bottle of 30 capsules, which is enough to avoid wasting 30 days. Please keep in mind that GlucoRun isn't meant to switch any medications you already use. Before creating any changes to however or once you take your medications, continuously confer with your doctor.